Okay, let's have a look at it together. What do we have here? People are shorting. Oh, not shorting. People are buying. Yeah, okay. Reverse the chart. Okay. We break this trend line, we can see continuation to the downside. Not that far. Basically looking to retest this level here. That's for the bear market support. Are we in the bear market? I don't know. There are a lot of indicators saying that we might be, but then well, just as everyone else probably, I just hope for the last pump to the upside. Okay, so we do this. We have this range. We go into the line chart. That's the range. Okay. Yeah, I have this one here, little one. And we are somewhere in between. So whenever we change market structure, we usually go to the 618 from the last support. In this case, it would be here. Okay. We have changed market structure, by the way. If we go into linear, this support is a little, it's so close to where we are now. So I would like to see another drop just to tag that 618. But if we are on the logarithmic, it's a little bit further down. That's fine. So we have lows, highs, new lows, highs. We took this low, or if you reverse the chart, it was the high, but I'm just looking at it this way. And we came back down all the way, or up in this case, yeah? So this is market structure change. We changed market structure. We go to this next 618. Okay? That's the plan, really. Logarithmic. All right, now go back to the normal chart. So we are just a little bit below. We have this 618, we have this previous range highs where we would like to retest. We have this trend line here where if we break this trend line, people are gonna be looking for the upside, for the new highs. So why not just fake out? Maybe something like that. Make a nice ABC, yeah? Because this was ABC, but it's not really an ABC. Yeah? We could have that. But if I have something like that, that would make me more confident to take the lows and go long. I want to see that little ABC. I am in a trade, as you know, and I'm not going to come out of this trade. You can stop me out. I don't care. It actually, I was stopped out here on this thing here. Of this thing here again, I was stopped out. That where when my stop loss was, it was tagged. But I'm in again right away. So anytime we are above this line here, I would be in. But it would just make this little bit, why not come a little bit lower, you know? We don't have to, but just make this nice ABC. So we go for the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, break this trend line, people go bullish, and then maybe do this. Again, people are going to be looking for these highs. Traders going to be looking for these highs because they think that's the strong high and this is where the market structure changes. Well, it's not really, because low, high, this is a strong high and strong low. We took this low, so sellers are stronger than the buyers. So this is now a strong low. We have to take these. We failed 618 level. Sellers still in control. We took the lows again, yeah. Sellers in control. Up again, bulls trying to take over. Sellers, the bears said no, but they couldn't take the lows, and we changed this market structure. Okay, so this is strong support now. People are trying to defend this support. This is strong support. This where we changed market structure. What happens when we change market structure? We go to the next 618 level. We are at the 618 level here. So it's a little bit of a mess. Okay. Going to the next 618. We did tag 618, but this trend line is a little bit higher. Why not tag it? Obviously people do it this way, but I'm gonna leave it at that. Okay, so next 618. When we get above this level and close above this level, close 4 hour candles, this is going to be a really strong sign that we are going up to the upside, in my opinion. So what I'm looking for now, I'm in my position. This is where I'm at. On the spot, I'm going to be holding it, and I'm going to be holding it unless I'm stopped out. I'm not taking any profits unless I see a lot of weakness. I will be looking for an ABC, whatever. This is just an example. I will put my trend line up here. Once we break that trend line, I'm probably going to be looking to close the trade. As of right now, it's all good. We don't have this trend line yet, and it's going to take some time to get it. So you see, this trend line been touched so many times, so it is about to break. If you look at it here, once, twice, 3 times, 4 times, at least 4 times. You could count this one as well if you want. That would be 5, 6 times. So are we gonna touch this trend line again? I'm gonna touch this trend line again, reject, maybe make a lower high and do something like that, yeah? A nice ABC. Okay. If we didn't take the lows, I'm gonna be stopped out and I'm gonna be taking another long. With a, obviously if we come back above the line. So we take the lows, we drop, people start shorting it, and we get above this one here. The same second we get above this level here, I'm gonna be in a long. So that you understand my trading, trying to explain it. You probably have your own style, but I'm just giving it to you. Okay, that would really be nice because we move this one here. It would look at the safe entry would be break of this trend line if we get there. That would be the safest one. Continue to the upside. If we fail, that's it. It's simple as that. We go lower, we go to 63k. We get a dead cat bounce and continue to the downside to 40k, 50, 40k, 34, 36k. So that's what I'm looking for. This is the plan. So I'm interested, again, the levels I am interested in trading. I'm interested in taking these lows here, anywhere here, and somewhere here. Okay, so this is the previous range here, as you can see. We can do something like that, but if you go into the chart where it's this line chart, you can see we've got this little bit of space here. If we make a nice ABC, do not close above, do not go into this previous range, because if we come up here, that's it. I'm bullish, really. Or if we don't do that, we just do something like that and then fail, that would be the nicest little ABC correction that you could think of. That's my plan, basically. Yeah, that's it. Otherwise, we continue to the upside and everyone's happy. We break this trend line and we never look back. You can even have it like that. You can see how many times we touched this trend line. Look, once, twice, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times. So many touches here. 6th fake out. That's wave 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Because usually wave 2, you can see. Look, wave 2 and wave 4 usually tends to break the trend line as a fake out. That's for Bitcoin. Go check it out yourself. You will see it happens so many times. Wave 2 and wave 4. I know if you look at the Elliott waves, this is obviously not 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. They're gonna name it some other way, but I'm making it really simple. Wave 3 usually have double top or double bottom. That's what we had here. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Either 5th is finished, or we're gonna have our last 5th. So that's the plan, okay? A lot of people will be looking at this trend line. And if we break it, we continue to the upside, never look back, I'm happy. I just want this last pump till October, if it happens. If it doesn't, that's fine. I'm gonna be stopped out, and I'm just gonna wait for the bear market lows. I'm gonna be buying more and more and more. And that's it, yeah? We're pumping. Friday, we're pumping because, yeah, look. I mean, obviously, you could have shorted this trend line. Let's just say a lot of people shorted this. What comes up quick usually tends to come down quick. I'm really surprised we didn't go lower. That's kind of bullish. So a lot of people shorted this, but I mean, look, market structure is still intact. So we have to change market structure in the 4-hour time frame, or we have to make something like that and then fake out. This is the sell, okay? But I would still like to see something. Yeah, I don't know. We'll see. I told you the levels I'm interested in trading. We're pumping, and I hope we're gonna go up. All right, thanks.